this is the third time in last 3 days that terrorists have been engaged in encounter. These terrorists were in fact attempting to rush to heights of the mountain. Remember, the same group which attacked Indian Army on July 15th is now trapped. The firing has stopped for now is what we are learning from our sources, but the terrorists have escaped to a nearby forest areas in hiding. Now the search operation is currently going on. We'll bring you more details with regards to this current operation which is going on in order to nab all of these terrorists in hiding. But first take a look at this report coming in.
जिला डोडा के कासीगढ़ अपर रिचेज में आतंकी और सुरक्षा बलों के बीच मुठभेड़ शुरू हुई है। बताया जा रहा है ये मुठभेड़ तकरीबन सुबह 2 बजे के करीब शुरू हुई, जब इस एरिया में आतंकी छुपे होने की खबर मिलने के बाद पूरे एरिया को कार्डन में लिया गया है। आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह से चप्पे चप्पे पर जम्मू कश्मीर के जवान जो है वो लगाए गए, ताकि जो आतंकी घेरे हुए हैं वो यहाँ से बच निकलने में उन्हें कोई भी यहाँ रास्ता ना हो और उन्हें इसी एरिया में जल्द से जल्द ढेर किया जाए, क्योंकि इस ऑपरेशन को बता दें कि चौथा दिन है आज और लगातार इस देसा भाटा के इन जंगलों में इस जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस, एसओजी जवान और सुरक्षा बलों के भी यहाँ सर्च ऑपरेशन चल रहा है, ताकि इस एरिया में जो मिलिटेंट छुपे हुए थे उन्हें आज जल्द से जल्द मार गिराया जाए। इस ऑपरेशन की अगर हम बात करेंगे, अभी तक इस ऑपरेशन में हाल ही में आतंकियों ने जो घात बना के हुए बैठे थे उसमें 4 सेना के जवान शहीद हुए थे, लेकिन आज आतंकी घेर लिए गए हैं कासीगढ़ के अपर रिजेस जंगल में। लेकिन हम आपको बता दें ये बिल्कुल ग्राउंड जीरो विजुअल्स हैं और इस एरिया को पूरी तरह से जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस ने कार्डन कर लिया है।
All right, we have CNN News 18's Tejinder Singh Sodhi and Ishan Wani, both of them joining us early this morning on the broadcast. First, Tejinder, coming to you, let's talk about the search operations which are currently underway. We have faced already a huge loss, Tejinder, and we are looking at continuous encounters happening in the valley. What exactly is going to happen next? What are the search operations that are being conducted at this point of time? The big details, please.
See, the first and foremost thing we need to understand is that Pakistan has now shifted its focus towards Jammu region, and that is the only reason that for past couple of weeks there have been several such terror attacks, several such encounters which are going on in Jammu region. If you remember, in the month of May, there were reports that some infiltration has taken place and some terrorists, they were seen in the upper reaches of Kathua, Riyasi, Doda, Kishtwar, Rajouri, Poonch. And these are the same terrorists, if we believe our intelligence agency sources, they say that these are the same group of terrorists who have infiltrated into the Indian side from Pakistan, and they are carrying out these type of terror attacks. One important thing which the sources have disclosed, that these terrorists seems to be the regular soldiers who served in the Pakistan army, especially the SSG commandos of the Pakistan army, the former SSG commandos, who are carrying out such attacks. Now, in this latest attack, which we came to know that at around 2:10 a.m., this group of terrorists, they launched an attack on the army position and army establishment in the Bhata area of Kashtigarh in Doda. The attack was, however, foiled by the alert soldiers. They repulsed the attack when terrorists tried to barge into the army camp. They were fired upon by the terrorists. They fired on the soldiers, and the fire was retaliated because the army has already been put on high alert in the hinterland. So this attack was repulsed, which led to an intense encounter which lasted for more than an hour. What we are told right now that this group of terrorists has escaped towards a nearby forest area where they have been cordoned off by the security forces. A massive manhunt is already underway. 2 army jawans, we are told that they have also sustained injuries. They have been evacuated to the hospital, but they are stable and out of danger. But a massive manhunt is already underway. The sources within the security establishment say that this is believed to be the same group of terrorists which had carried out the attack just 24 hours ago, in which 4 brave hearts of the Indian Army and 1 Jawan from the Jammu and Kashmir police has laid down their life while defending the integrity of the country. But yes, this is a cause of concern for security agencies, because every other day there are attacks that are happening in Jammu region. The terrorists, they have shifted their focus towards Jammu. If you remember, this year there have been several such attacks in Rajouri, Poonch, especially on security forces, and we have lost a large number of security force personnel,
Right.
especially the army jawans. But yes, the security forces are already on alert, and they are making it sure that these terrorists are soon identified and eliminated. Yes.
Right, Tejinder, definitely a cause of concern for all of us. But at this point of time, what's even more eyebrow-raising is that this is the third incident in last 3 days. Ishan also continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Ishan, would love your input on the same terrorist group right now functioning in this particular area. They have escaped to the nearby forest areas, what we are learning from our sources. Apart from that, what do we know about the help coming in their way from the locals, as well as all the arrests that have been made so far in this particular matter?
Well, yes, the DGP a few days ago pointed out the fact that there is not a larger help that is being provided to these outfits in the Jammu region, and it is a handful of people who, at some point of time, due to some money or some little things that they have provided help. But you would have noticed that just yesterday, Doda police led a massive crackdown on the OGW network and arrested at least 3 of these overground workers who have been responsible for transporting or at some point of time helping them. But there is a massive crackdown that the police and the agencies are trying to do, particularly on the OGW network in these parts of Jammu region, because they believe that without the help of OGWs, they will not be able to survive for a very long time. And hence, the crackdown on this network becomes primarily important to uproot the militancy there. When the militancy broke out in Doda and all these areas in the 90s, the pattern and trend was the same. So the police and the security agencies do not want to take any chances. They want to eliminate any such, bid or any such attempt for them to be stable in these areas. And that's why you're seeing that, forces are creating temporary bases. Sridhar was pointing out that one of them was attacked during midnight, but is an attempt to but regain the strength in these areas.
Right.
We already know that forces are going to be deployed, including ITBP, BSF, CRPF in these heights, and which will help in not only patrolling, monitoring, but also gaining back the confidence on those peaks. But the primary concern is that they have been able to carry out attacks and they have been able to inflict harm. But the forces say that they will soon be able to can neutralize these militants who are behind this. And where this attack has taken place, it's not far away from the location where the exchange of gunfire had taken place a few days back, resulting in injuries and later on deaths of soldiers.
Right, Ishan and Tejinder, thank you so